Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Fourthwall versus Teespring. Fourthwall and Teespring are both platforms that allows creators to design and sell custom products, but they cater to different aspects of the market. Fourthwall focuses on empowering artists and creators to sell their designs on various products. It offers a user-friendly platform with tools for designing and customizing products like apparel, accessories, and home goods. Fourthwall emphasizes quality printing and product customization, giving artists control over their branding and sales. Teespring is a broader platform that enables anyone to create and sell custom merchandise, not just limited to artists. It provides integrated tools for designing products, setting prices, and launching campaigns to sell merchandise. Teespring handles production, shipping, and customer service, allowing creators to focus on marketing and sales. Choosing between Fourthwall and Teespring depends on your goals and audience. Fourthwall is ideal for artists and creators looking for control over product design and quality, with a focus on artistic expression. Teespring is suitable for a wider audience, including creators, influencers, and businesses seeking a streamlined platform for creating and selling custom merchandise with comprehensive support and marketing tools. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.